Join me as I dive into the wild world of Tesla stocks and try to figure out what caused them to plummet overnight. Tesla's stock has been a hot topic in the market, with its fluctuations often making headlines. The company's innovative approach to electric vehicles and renewable energy has garnered a significant following. But its stock price has been known to be volatile. Many investors have been left wondering what's behind the sudden drop. Tesla's stock price has significant implications for the market as a whole, with its movements often influencing the broader tech and automotive sectors. The company's valuation has been a subject of debate among investors and analysts, with some arguing that it's overvalued and others seeing it as a pioneer in the electric vehicle industry. As we explore the reasons behind the stock drop, it's essential to consider the company's overall performance and market trends. The recent stock drop has sparked intense discussion among investors and analysts, with many trying to make sense of the sudden decline. Tesla's stock price has been on a roller coaster ride, with its value fluctuating rapidly over the past few months. This volatility has left many investors on edge, wondering what's next for the company and its stock. The automotive industry as a whole has been experiencing significant changes. With the rise of electric vehicles and shifting consumer preferences, investors are closely watching Tesla's stock, trying to understand what's driving the price movements and what the future holds for the company. The stock market can be unpredictable, and Tesla's stock is no exception. As we delve deeper into the reasons behind the stock drop, it's crucial to consider the various factors that influence the market and the company's performance. From economic trends to industry developments, there are many factors at play that can impact Tesla's stock price. The central issue surrounding Tesla's stock drop is the significant decline in investor confidence. Several major events and news stories have contributed to this decline, including concerns over the company's production levels and regulatory issues. Tesla's ability to meet its production targets has been a topic of discussion, with some investors worried that the company may not be able to keep up with demand. Regulatory issues, such as those related to autonomous driving, have also been a concern for investors. Tesla's stock price has been sensitive to news and announcements, with even the slightest hint of bad news sending the stock tumbling. The company's valuation has been questioned by some investors who argue that it's overvalued and due for a correction. Other investors, however, remain bullish on the company's prospects, citing its innovative products and growing demand for electric vehicles. The debate over Tesla's valuation has been ongoing, with no clear consensus in sight. The company's financial performance has also been under scrutiny, with some investors worried about its ability to turn a profit. Tesla's expenses have been rising, and the company has been investing heavily in new technologies and production capacity. While these investments are seen as necessary for the company's long-term growth, they've also put pressure on the company's bottom line. Investors are eagerly awaiting Tesla's next earnings report, which will provide valuable insights into the company's financial health. Regulatory issues have been another major concern for Tesla investors. The company has been facing scrutiny from regulators over its autonomous driving technology, with some raising concerns about safety and liability. Tesla has been at the forefront of autonomous driving development, but the regulatory environment is still evolving. Investors are watching closely to see how these regulatory issues will be resolved, and what impact they will have on the company's stock price. Market reactions to the stock drop have been mixed, with some investors seeing it as a buying opportunity and others rushing to sell. The stock market can be unpredictable, and Tesla's stock is no exception. Investor sentiment has been shifting rapidly, with some investors becoming increasingly bearish on the company's prospects. Others, however, remain confident in Tesla's ability to bounce back and continue its growth trajectory. The automotive industry as a whole has been experiencing significant changes. With the rise of electric vehicles and shifting consumer preferences, Tesla has been at the forefront of this change, but it's not the only player in the market. Other companies, such as General Motors and Volkswagen, are also investing heavily in electric vehicle technology. The competition in the market is increasing, and Tesla will need to continue innovating to stay ahead. Tesla's stock drop has significant implications for the company and its investors. The decline in investor confidence has been a major concern, and the company will need to work to regain the trust of its investors. This can be achieved by improving its financial performance, addressing regulatory issues, and continuing to innovate and grow. The company's ability to adapt to changing market trends and consumer preferences will be crucial in determining its long-term success. The stock drop has also raised questions about the overall health of the electric vehicle market. While Tesla has been a pioneer in this space, other companies are also making significant strides. The market is becoming increasingly competitive, and Tesla will need to continue to innovate to stay ahead. The company's ability to scale its production and meet growing demand will be essential in determining its success in the market. The pivotal moment that led to the largest impact on Tesla, a stock price, was the announcement of a regulatory issue that sparked concerns over the company's autonomous driving technology. This news sent the stock tumbling. As investors worries about the potential implications for the company's growth and profitability, the announcement highlighted the risks associated with investing in Tesla and the importance of regulatory approvals for the company's technologies. The regulatory issue has been a major concern for investors, who are worried about the potential impact on Tesla's stock price. The company's ability to resolve this issue and regain the trust of its investors will be crucial in determining its long-term success. The announcement has also raised questions about the overall regulatory environment for autonomous driving and the potential implications for other companies in the industry. The news has sparked intense discussion among investors and analysts, with many trying to make sense of the sudden decline. Tesla's stock price has been on a roller coaster ride, with its value fluctuating rapidly over the past few months. This volatility has left many investors on edge, wondering what's next for the company and its stock. The company's ability to address the regulatory issue and restore investor confidence will be essential in determining its future success. The company's response to the regulatory issue will be closely watched by investors and analysts. Tesla will need to work to resolve the issue and demonstrate its commitment to safety and regulatory compliance. The company's ability to do so will be crucial in determining its long-term success and regaining the trust of its investors. The regulatory issue has highlighted the risks associated with investing in Tesla and the importance of careful consideration before making any investment decisions. In summary, Tesla's stock drop has been a significant event in the market, with many factors contributing to the decline. The company's ability to address regulatory issues, improve its financial performance, and continue to innovate will be crucial in determining its long-term success. Investors will be watching closely to see how the company responds to the challenges it faces and whether it can regain the trust of its investors. The stock drop has significant implications for Tesla and its investors, and it's essential to consider the various factors that have contributed to the decline. From regulatory issues to market trends, there are many factors at play that can impact Tesla's stock price. Investors will need to carefully weigh these factors and consider their own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. The main points to take away from the stock drop are the importance of regulatory approvals, the need for Tesla to continue innovating, and the risks associated with investing in the company. Investors will need to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments in the market and the company's performance. By doing so, they can make informed decisions and navigate the complexities of the stock market. Investors will be eagerly awaiting Tesla's next earnings report, which will provide valuable insights into the company's financial health and its ability to address the challenges it faces. The company's response to the regulatory issue and its plans for future growth will be closely watched. Investors will be looking for signs of stability and confidence in the company's prospects. Check out the comments section below and let me know what you think about Tesla's stock drop and what you're expecting from the company's next move. If you're interested in learning more about Tesla or the stock market, be sure to check out my previous videos for more analysis and insights.